Welcome to the next video from the Church of Maths. This is the video about addition. I could say basic addition. We all probably know the basics about this. It is just like 2 plus 2 equals 4, right? Or if larger numbers are added, you put them in a row, like this. 73 plus 88. Breaking it up, you add the units, which are the ones on the right. 3 plus 8 equals 11. The unit for that is 1, and you carry the other one, which is in the tens, and you add that to the other tens, so they all add up to 7 plus 8 plus 1, which is 16, and you add the 16 on the front of the 1 to get the answer of 161. Addition is also a function, but this time it has 2 inputs. If we use our previous example of 73 plus 88, we could write it as a function with 2 arguments, which is another word for inputs. If we use plus as the function sign, and in the brackets we have 73 and 88, and that equals 161. Remember how I said that addition is more complex than the successor function earlier? Addition is applying the successor function multiple times to a number, so it's a chain of successor functions. For example, with 2 plus 2, or plus function of 2 and 2, it could also be written as successor of 2, where the successor function plus 1 is applied twice. The first argument, or the first number, which is the one in blue, in the addition, is the number that is being added to, or the number that is being processed. And the second argument, or the second input, which is in purple, is how many times the successor function is done. Another way to write this is to use the second argument as an index, like this. S index 2 of 2 equals 4, which means the S is applied twice. It's first applied and then it's applied to that answer the second time to get 4. So the first time the S is applied, it goes from 2 to 3, and the second time it goes from 3 to 4. Back to our previous example, we could write 73 plus 88 as successor function index 88 of 73, which means you add 1 to the 73 88 times. It's a chain of plus 1s. The plus operator comes naturally and intuitively, however, so it is used as a basic component of equations. Also, it's easy to just get a calculator and type 73 plus 88 equals. That's how we usually calculate it these days. An additional point about addition is that adding is commutative, or commutative. Different people pronounce it in different ways. What this means is that it doesn't matter what order you put the numbers in. In other words, 73 plus 88 equals 88 plus 73. Or, to use the successor function with an index of 88 of 73 is the successor function with an index of 73 of 88. I'm not going to go ahead with the sigma function yet, because I consider that to be at a higher level. And this is just basic addition, so it's just a level 2 video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will continue making videos whenever I find the time. Please vote, comment, subscribe and spread the word.